15 things you should know before you start a business. Welcome to Professional Hub, a launchpad which comes up with new and amazing ideas for your future business and help you become a source of inspiration for others. Before you stream down our video, just click the subscribe button so that you don't miss more motivational content from us in future. To track our videos and more content, please follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. Today, this video will equip you with the knowledge of 15 important things that you should be doing before you start your new business. We know that we always come up with very interesting information that excite you to put your hands in a new business right after today. But before you start to note down 15 prerequisites, subscribe to our channel by clicking the red bell button. 90% of the businesses fail because the entrepreneurs are not well equipped with the knowledge of how to start their business. It is true that a business needs an initial idea, but to make it fully successful, there's more than just an idea. Today, we will give you an insight of what you should do to make your idea more powerful and your business fairly successful. Number 1. Researching your idea. It is for sure that you have an amazing idea to start a new business, and you believe this idea is very unique and will give you a smooth sailing life. However, do you know that it is very important to research about the dynamics of your idea? Probably not. Don't worry, it is very understandable, but yes, most people do not take it as a serious bite and swallow it without chewing. So, we suggest you to explore it from all possible aspects. Is it going to work in your budget? Are you going to deal with it successfully in your surroundings? Does your circumstances make it feasible, or is it really worth it? You have to get answers of all these questions and then move forward. Number 2. Choose something you love doing. Steve Jobs said, "The only way to do a great work is to love what you do." So here is one of the most important advice which you should consider before setting up your new business is to choose something which pleases your mind and soul. Only then your brain will work in favor of that. Number 3. Financial basket. As it is said that never put all your eggs in one basket. But yes, you must have some eggs to put in the basket. So, as per the advice, you must not invest all that you possess in the business. Yes, put your best efforts, best brain, best potential, but money is something too much to be sacrificed. Secondly, make sure that you must have enough budget to start a business. While budgeting your finances, keep this in mind that you cannot expect this business to return you the monetary benefit at least before 2 years. So, you have to spend back everything that is earned on this business. This is how, after 2 years, you will be able to make a handsome amount regularly. For more clever moves and financial organization, you can go on to our website www.businessprohub.com or digital marketing course and get our amazing product Wealth Building Blueprint. There you can learn the best practices to get and grow your money. Number 4. Keep it short. This is very important to start off with a piece you can digest easily. And of course, it is ethical to finish what you have in the plate and then take more. Same is the case with business. You must not put your hands in multiple business initially, but the best thing is to start off with the simplest and smallest portion. When you have a full command on it, then move forward. Number 5. You get what you pay for. As it is said, you get what you pay for doesn't only mean that the more money you invest, the more you get back. But remember, the more time, effort, and dedication you put in the work, the sooner you get the reward. One thing because of which most businesses fail is that they do not realize how much time their business is required. So, this is something very important before you put your hands in the business, that you must plan your time and put maximum of it in the work. For further ideas on this, just explore our website www.businessprohub.com or digital marketing course and reach to our program Unstoppable Momentum. Number 6. A perfect guide. Yes, a relevant mentor or a guide is crucial to a new business. Before you are going to put your plans into papers, you need to get a complete guidance from the expert. This may be a friend, family member, or an expert from the same kind. Number 7. Patience. Not only for business, but a lifetime lesson. Have patience. Do not expect the new one to walk on its own during the first year. Depending upon the nature of work, you must wait at least for 2 years to expect rewards in return. Keep putting, keep moving, and keep waiting. And do not get disappointed of not getting much profit initially. Remember that the fruit of patience is sweet. Number 8. Legal framework. Though not considered much significant, but the reality is that you cannot move without the help of a legal standing in your state. Hire a professional or seek advice from someone relevant in your friend list. It is important to know about what your state beholds for you in the form of taxes and other inclusions. It is a rough process, but keep yourself prepared to invest some time on this aspect as well. Click on the link below, which will take you to our website and get the best services to shape up your legal framework through our product, www.businessprohub.com or digital marketing course. Number 9. Team Dream. This is another one of the most important things that you should consider before launching your business. A good skill team is very crucial to the collective success of a business. You must know how, when, and what kind of a team you need for your business. You can keep the number of individuals less for now and increase it as per the need. But you must cautiously hire skilled persons. Number 10. Name your brand. You admit it or not. This is something very important and should be considered as anything else in the business plan. You must give your new one a beautiful, attractive, charming name so that it attracts people. Usually, simple names that are easy to remember and unambiguous names are appreciable, especially because they are self-explainable. When public hears it, they would reach to where it actually belongs. Number 11. Marketing plan. One of the most important things that should be considered and dealt with smartly is a wise marketing plan. Explore marketing strategies. Use different tools to spread the word. For example, often successful business raise a question or leave a question on their posters or billboards that creates curiosity among the public. Due to this, people would at least take an interest to know what actually it sells. So, a smart marketing plan can boost up your business effectivity. For this, you can get our product Instagram secrets and Facebook PPC secrets available on our website. There you can get the best online strategies that will pull more and more clients. Number 12. Business place. Though it is not necessary to allocate a proper office to your new business, this may come up with challenges due to tight budgeting. However, you must have a chair and a table to sit somewhere and monitor your business activities. Moreover, probably people would need to visit you for the meetings or other nitty-gritty. So keep this in mind that your business place must always be on the nearest possible location to where you live. This will not only save your time, but will also make you able to put your more and more effort and time to your business. Number 13. Quality brings quantity. Yes, always focus on the quality and it will bring the quantity itself. But if you go for the quantity, this will not only destroy the quality but also decrease quantity shortly. You should know before starting your new business that how are you going to maintain the quality of your products or services. This is the only key to more and more demand. Number 14. Manage the tech. Well, who says that to manage technical support is necessary for a business, either it is IT based or not? Whoever it is, very rightly said that. Whatever the type of your business is, it is crucial in present era to create an online stage for your power play. It will help you boosting your marketing strategies, reaching maximum audience, and many more additional benefits that you have not yet imagined. Number 15. Give an eye to partnerships. Partnerships are not always either necessary nor successful. So you should mind your own business in this case. Trusting someone is also not recommended, especially when you yourself are at the stage of a trial. So it is better to start something with yourself and keep it short for now. Once it is extended, you may hire others rather than getting into partnerships. We hope that this video has been very helpful and now you know many things that you did not know before. Keep us uploaded with your opinions in the comments below so that we can add your precious recommendations in the future. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not done it as yet, so that you don't miss more content from us.